Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make frame rate higher. First, let's understand that frame rate, measured in frames per second, directly impacts your visual smoothness. A higher number means a more fluid experience. Begin by checking your in-game graphics settings. Often, simply lowering resolution or texture quality can provide a significant boost. Also, confirm your monitor's refresh rate is set to its highest value, like 144 Hz, in your operating system display settings. Next, keeping your graphics drivers up to date is crucial for optimal performance. Visit your GPU manufacturer's website, like NVIDIA or AMD, to download the newest drivers. Simultaneously, close any applications running in the background that consume system resources, such as web browsers or chat programs. Even disabling some operating system visual effects can free up valuable processing power, contributing to a smoother gaming experience. Diving deeper into game settings, reducing demanding options like shadow quality, anti-aliasing, and reflections can significantly improve your frame rate. These settings often have a large impact on performance. If you're still struggling, lowering your display resolution from, say, 4096 by 2160 to 1920 by 1080 pixels will provide a substantial boost. Always check if your hardware meets the game's recommended specifications. Finally, proper system maintenance is key to sustained high frame rates. Dust buildup can cause components to overheat, leading to performance drops. Regularly clean your computer's interior to ensure good airflow. Effective cooling prevents thermal throttling, where your hardware slows down to avoid damage. If your system is several years old, upgrading your graphics card or adding more RAM, perhaps 16 gigabytes, can offer the most dramatic improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.